So people are commenting on that video that Isaiah calls this a string, that he doesn't know this is for, you know what? So someone said,
So hold your pants up.
yeah, hold your pants up. Someone says snap it and see what they do. I think they're gonna think it's funny.
What do you think?
I think Josiah's just gonna look at it.
I think Joseph's gonna look at it or go, and
Isaiah, come here.
I think Isaiah's gonna say, that's too loud.
Let's see. What is this?
A seat belt.
That's better.
it's a
And closer.
Yeah, it's a belt. What does it do?
Clips yourself.
It clips yourself.
No. You ready? When you see this.
It's not scary.
What's this? How about this? How about this? You ready? Go.
Told you. Well, they're not scared of it.